Want to build muscle, burn fat, and recover faster, all from one scoop? Well, let's dive into the world of whey protein, one of the most studied and effective supplements on the market. But is it really the miracle powder it's cracked up to be, or just an expensive milk powder? Stick around, because we're about to separate the facts from the hype. What is whey protein? Whey protein is a high-quality protein derived from milk during the cheese-making process. It's packed with essential amino acids, particularly leucine, which is the key driver of muscle protein synthesis, the process your body uses to build and repair muscle tissue. For us guys over 35, this becomes increasingly important as our natural muscle-building abilities start to slow down. There are three main types of whey protein you'll encounter. Whey concentrate is the most affordable option, but it includes some carbs and fat along with the protein. Whey isolate is a purer form, offering more protein per scoop with fewer extras. Whey hydrolysate is pre-digested for faster absorption, making it ideal for quick recovery. Now, let's talk about the benefits that have made whey protein a staple in many fitness enthusiasts' routines. First and foremost, muscle growth. Whey's high leucine content stimulates muscle repair and growth, helping you maintain and build lean mass as you age. It also aids in faster recovery. If you're tired of feeling sore for days after a workout, whey can help reduce muscle soreness and speed up recovery time. For those of us watching our waistlines, whey protein supports weight loss. The high protein content increases satiety, helping to reduce cravings and support fat loss. A common goal for many men in their 30s, 40s, and beyond. Whey also boosts metabolism. Your body burns more calories digesting protein compared to carbs or fat, giving you a little extra edge in your fitness journey. Lastly, it's incredibly convenient. Quick, portable, and easy to mix, whey protein is perfect for busy professionals who struggle to hit their daily protein needs through whole foods alone. But let's be real. No supplement is without potential downsides. While whey is generally safe, there are a few side effects to be aware of. Some people may experience digestive issues like bloating, gas, or diarrhea, especially if they're lactose intolerant. There's also been some concern about kidney strain with high protein intake, but research shows it's safe for healthy individuals. However, if you have existing kidney issues, it's best to consult with your doctor. Now, if you're not keen on supplements, there are plenty of whole food sources rich in whey protein. Dairy products like milk, yogurt, and cheese are natural sources. Greek yogurt, in particular, is an excellent option, packing a hefty protein punch. Remember, whey protein is a supplement, not a replacement for real food. Natural high-protein foods include chicken breast, 31 grams protein per 100 grams, salmon, 25 grams per 100 grams, eggs, 6 grams each, Greek yogurt, 10 grams per 100 grams, lentils, 9 grams per 100 grams. But hitting your daily protein target from whole foods alone can be challenging, and that's where whey steps in. So, how should you use whey protein to get the most bang for your buck? Post-workout shake. 20 to 40 grams whey within 30 to 60 minutes after training to maximize recovery and growth. Between meals, use whey to fill protein gaps if your meals are low in protein. With breakfast, add to oats, smoothies, or coffee to boost protein intake early in the day. Pair with resistance training. Whey without lifting won't do much. The magic happens when you combine it with strength training. Just remember, whey is a supplement, not a replacement for a balanced diet. Let's tackle some common questions about whey protein. Is whey protein safe for long-term use? Yes, for most healthy adults, whey protein is safe for long-term consumption. However, as with any dietary change, it's always a good idea to check with your healthcare provider. Can whey protein help with weight loss? While not a magic bullet, whey protein can support weight loss efforts by increasing satiety and preserving lean muscle mass during calorie restriction. Is whey protein better than other protein sources? Whey is considered a complete protein and is particularly rich in leucine, making it excellent for muscle building. However, a varied diet with multiple protein sources is ideal for overall health. How much whey protein should I take daily? This depends on your individual needs, but 20 to 40 grams per serving is common. Total daily protein should be around 1.6 to 2.2 grams per kilogram of body weight. Can I take whey protein if I'm lactose intolerant? While whey isolate and hydrolysate contain very little lactose, those with severe lactose intolerance may want to opt for plant-based protein alternatives. Can older men benefit from whey? Absolutely. Whey helps prevent age-related muscle loss, sarcopenia, and keeps metabolism strong. Is whey better than plant protein? Whey has a higher biological value and faster absorption, but high-quality plant blends can work if you're vegan. Now, a quick medical disclaimer. While whey protein is generally safe and beneficial for most people, it's always wise to consult with a healthcare professional before making significant changes to your diet or supplement regimen, especially if you have any pre-existing health conditions. In conclusion, whey protein can be a valuable tool in your fitness arsenal, particularly for adults over 35 looking to stay strong, lean, and energetic. It's not a miracle powder, but when combined with a balanced diet and regular exercise, it can help you achieve your fitness goals more efficiently. If you found this information helpful and want to stay up to date on the latest nutrition and supplement research, don't forget to subscribe to the Nutrient Link. We're here to help you navigate the complex world of nutrition with science-backed information tailored for men like us. Remember, whether you're hitting the gym, chasing the kids around, or conquering the boardroom, proper nutrition is your secret weapon. So, are you ready to give whey protein a shot and take your fitness game to the next level? Your future self might just thank you for it. Stay strong, stay informed, and keep pushing forward.